yeah, we're really excited to see so many people out and about.
Expo like this just affords so much variety. I've been really excited by the fact that there's lots of different sectors represented here today.
It's quickly evolving, quickly changing, and I think that's a big factor. Knowing how do you actually get skills for the job of the future that's not even known about yet.
So you're employed, and for the duration of your apprenticeship or traineeship, you are getting a wage while you are learning. It doesn't matter how old you are, it can suit anybody, for either new workers or existing workers who want to upskill and have a national qualification.
Here are hundreds of stalls here. There are so many contacts there. Definitely it will increase my opportunity to get a job.
There's a lot of agencies here that provides training, so which is really good.
It's important in my field that I get the right training for the right job. I've always wanted to more of a design part of the engineering. So it would be like shifting from site jobs into design and managerial positions. So I'm going to work towards that. It's my first time in Australia. It is a totally new experience for me. With the help of experts, people would actually reach out to you and be like, yeah, this guy, we want to call him and hear more about him.
I'm just here for the resume workshop, and it's pretty effective.
It's really important for young people not to get stuck in the notion that there's only one thing to do and one pathway. And even along that journey of employment, there are a lot more opportunities to come.
We really want to point out as well is that local government is such an amazing employer. The diversity of opportunities is massive out in the field, within offices, libraries, community centres.
There is such a variety of different careers, opportunities here, so understanding all of them has been really fun.
A career that I might be interested in is teaching, primary school and like kindergarten teaching.
I've been interested in the aged care work. It is a growing industry.
Something in like the medical field, maybe a paramedic. A vet course that I would be interested in doing. I would want to be like a police officer, so do a TAFE course I'd have to do, or to become a health teacher.
Fresh 927 has always been about giving back to the community as a community station. And last year, during the big height of the pandemic, we realised that there was such a skills and job shortage in South Australia. So we set up freshjobs.com.au as a platform for people to get involved and connect with industry insiders and help them find work. And it's like your one-stop shop where you want to go to get all your career advice to score your dream job.
It's great. It's a great experience here. It's one platform to making new contacts with the companies and employers directly, and I get my resume done. That's a great thing. Yeah, happy and excited.
I think today has shown that there's a lot of people out there who have a desire to try something new and jump into a career they may never have thought of. I actually have never seen something as big as this before. Like the amount of opportunities there are for people to jump into different industries and sectors is incredible, and there's so much knowledge in this room today. It's amazing.
I've been looking everywhere for a job, and hopefully I will get one soon. Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Really what today is saying, there's nothing to hold you back. Just choose what it is that you want to do that actually makes your heart sing and go for it.
Definitely, if you love your job, then it doesn't feel like work. That's so true.
Today has been really insightful, learning all the different career opportunities I can pursue.
I love radio. If radio doesn't work, I'm definitely in the right place to sort out a new career.